Hey, how you doing everybody? Welcome back to Big Frog's 4x4. As you might recall, 5 months ago, I put a Magnaflow exhaust system on a 2018 Toyota Tacoma. We're going to do a 5-month review. As you can probably tell, stock exhaust is back on the truck. The owner hated the Magnaflow so much, 5 months later we took it off and put the stock exhaust back on. The drone inside the cab was so bad, the owner of this truck said it was hard to have a conversation with anyone in the truck with you. Not very happy with the quality of the stainless steel on this muffler and the amount of rust that it built up. You can see some rust around the seams, the welds, the spatter. The stainless steel is holding up a pretty decent amount as far as the shininess, but it's also not the best quality. You can really see where the clamps were, the amount of rust that's at the clamps. You can also see the rust that's forming on the tailpipe. And this is only 5 months of use. Now, we just got over a winter here in Pennsylvania, a lot of road salt, but this is only 5 months. The only place that there's decent stainless steel is really on the tip. You'll hear in a minute, you'll get to see where I use a magnet. All right, we're gonna do the magnet test. That is a really low quality stainless steel. I don't remember what they advertised it at, but the magnet sticks really well to the tailpipe. The hangers are a better quality stainless steel. There's a little bit of draw. Again, the magnet sticks to the body and a pretty decent draw to the body of the muffler as well. You can see that it hangs on the side with no problems. And this is a cheap Harbor Freight light that has batteries and stuff in. You come down to the tailpipe, and once again, a very good magnetic draw. It sticks nice and tight, it draws in tight. When you come down to the exhaust tip, that is a much better quality stainless steel. There is very little magnetic draw to the stainless steel of this tip. Now, if you want to dress up your stock exhaust, this is probably the way to go. You can get this from Toyota. It just clamps onto your stock tailpipe. It sticks out at the furthest point back. It sticks out just past your mud flap. Here's the part number. You can go online and order this, or go to your local dealer and order this. It comes in like a black chromed. It's a very nice finish. Clamps on very nicely.